Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an up-to-date and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is woman murdered in Himalayan Gastur house. Cleaning service for the murders of the Kasmawati, 32 years old, DG Siyama, 36 years old, and sentenced to 15 years old in prison. Siyama was charged with Article 338 of the Criminal Code for the killing Kasmawati, a woman from the Goa, South Sulawesi. It is known Kasmawati was found dead in the one room with Wisma Himalaya on the Tarakan Street, Makassar, 11 May 2022. Yudi explained that the murder case began when Kasmawati asked the DG Siyama to buy fruit juice. DG Siyama went to look for Kasmawati's fruit ice order. After a while, DG Siyama arrived with the Kasmawati's order. However, DG Siyama was considerate too long by Kasmawati. Because of the emotional of the waiting, Kasmawati slapped DG Siyama. The beating Sadi Yudi Fredanto was crying out with the hand, so that Kasmawati's head would hit the wall. Kasmawati was born into the room alleging to the remove triggers of the beating. Previously, it was reported that the Makassar Port Police arrested a man suspect and being involved with the murder of the woman from the Goa Monday, May 20, 2022 afternoon. A woman from the Goa named Kasmawati, 32 years old, was found in the death from the room of the Wisma Himalaya, Tarakan Street, Makassar, last May 11. At least, first it was thought that the deed of the lioness, but later, from the result of the physical examination of the forensic team of the Bidokes of the South Sulawesi Police, it was found that irregulation over the death of Kasmawati. The next news is Sugeng Rahayu bus is overloaded. The bus accident was reported to have occurred in Madiun, Regency, East Java. Sugeng Rahayu bus overturned after trying to overtake another Sugeng Rahayu bus. As a result, dozens of passengers were injured to be taken to the hospital. The head of the Gakum Satlas Forest is Madiun to an inspector of the police, Roni Susanto, confirmed this incident. He explained, the exact incident occurred on the street Raya Madiun, Surabaya, previously in the Jakaru Gulung village, Balarajo district, Madiun Regency, on the Tuesday, the 31st of May 2022. The Sugeng Rahayu bus with the police number Y7216UZ crossed in the middle of the road, causing explanation of the national route. The bus was carrying 34 passengers along with the 3 bus crew, namely the driver, the assistant, and the conductor. Evacuation process of the Sugeng Rahayu bus overturned on the Raya Madiun Street, Surabaya, Jaka Gulung Village, Balarajo District, Madiun Regency at the Tuesday, the 31st of May 2022. Evacuation process of the Sugeng Rahayu bus that overturned on the Madiun Street. It is a minor injuries. There is no serious injuries, including the bus crew. Meanwhile, The chronology of the incident began that the Sugeng Rahayu bus driver by the Suwarto tried to overtake another Sugeng Rahayu bus, namely the Sugeng Rahayu bus in Manchuring in Wonogiri, Solo, Surabaya, Nopo. Currently, the three bus crew have been secured by the Median Police Traffic Unit for the further investigation. The next news is Vlog of the Gangster arrests the middle finger with the when release. Released at the press conference at the Kelapa Gading Police North Jakarta on the Monday, 30 May 2022, reporting from the Jakarta Tribune, when the being lead before media crew, two of the three private nation secretly met the unusual gangster. The gangs of the gangster held up their middle finger at the mental symbols with the camera focused on the them. The three private nations, each 21 years old, Adi, 22 years old, and 18 years old, Aha, with the oversnatch wearing orange prison clothes, and they were taken out is detention. When we are a black handkerchief, which we hold the eyes from the nose to the moon. The two actors who were in the left right seem to support their friend like the actor in the middle, the previous treasure, who has the middle look alive when he was brought out with the custody. So what do his friend had to continue the holding were a question during the press conference at one point. When a number of the media crew took a picture of the gang of the robbers, the Rue Private Nation on one of the left and the right looked stylish with her hand gesture. The private treasure on the left raises his model finger while crosses his eyes turned to the camera. Meanwhile, the private nation on the right for the few second hand on the mental symbol with this left hand is individual. The next news is Arfak Reed Tribe Chief official inaugurated. Kalipos May Dugda has been officially inaugurated as a chairman of the Papuan Customary Council, Region 3 Dabere for the period 2022 to the 2026. Before being inaugurated, the heir from the throne of the tribal chief Occident of the Iraqi Kalopas Medi Doga was greeted with the traditional ceremony in the front of the office of the Papua Customary Council Region 3 Doberai. In his speech, Kaliopas said that as a native Papuan, all the parties must work well on this land. He said that the land of Papua has three important pillars and the representative for the indigenous people. Kaliopas said that the inaugural has been recorded in his story, the journey of the Papuan Commissary Council's Region 3, Dabere is very long. After its confirmed, they will work together with this community to the rigorous and fill every pillar of the adat in the DAP. Kaliops and planning that the Papuan Commissary Council Region 3 Dabere has clearly legitimate. The atmosphere of the inauguration of the chairman of the Papua Customary Council Region and 3, the brain of the office of the Papua Customary Council of the Jalan Pahlawan, West Manokwari District, Manokwari Regency, West Papua, on the Tuesday, 31, 2022. Not only that, Kalibai said that the Papuan Customary Council Region and 3 Dapri was not violate to the political institution. He continued, the Papuan Customary Council Region and 3 Dapri has an important rule to protect all living this and the other on the land of Papua. The next news is, reach the previous nation of the left, the police even find a marijuana. A 3 police resort Bandar Lampung area ED filed a risk a charge of the operation in the case of the motor filed them aka tourists of the right crime of ring the Panjang East Panjang Bandar Lampung on the Monday in the early hours at the morning filed to capture the target. However, officers found a dozens of the package of the Dari marijuana from the inside the region's room. The head of the Bandar Lampung Police Criminal Investigation Unit, Police Commissioner Devi Sujana, explained that the advance of the narcotics of the type of marijuana sizes was 8.5 kilograms. The marijuana was wrapped in a brown dark tape in the various sizes. Davis said that the advance was strongly suspected to belong to a man with the initial Yiji who lived in the related house. Yiji is not the only operation from the left accounts. Davis explained that his time of the raid, Yiji was known not to be his related house. Currently, evidence of the marijuana has been handed over the Bandar Lampung Police Narcotics Unit for the further development, meanwhile the head of the Narcotics Unit at the Bandar Lampung Police Kompol Gigi Antri Purtanto. He said that his party has a kind of further investigation into the marijuana findings. Gigi said most likely the marijuana come from the Aceh network. Gigi added, there is the inclination that the marijuana was sent via carrier from the Aceh to the Bandar Lampung. After transiting at the Bandar Lampung into the marijuana will descend outside the Lampung. The next news is, swimming athlete Nadia Putri Ayundari wants to buy a house. Nadia Putri Ayundari, 23 years old, looks happy after receiving a bonus of the 150 million from the Bogor Regency government at the Big Land Hotel Sentul at the Monday. This swimming athlete from the Solo Central Java receiving a bonus after a successful donation 3 gold medals from the West Java contingent at the 16th Papua 2022 National Paralympic Week. Nadia won 3 medals from the 50 meters butterfly stroke, 50 meters backstroke, and the 100 meter backstroke. She follows the East Tri Classic from the Madly Visual Empire. This is a 86th student of the 11 Maret State University. Solo plans to use as the bonus money from the Bogor Regency government to buy a house. She hopes that the appreciation and support and the local government will be continued to increase in order to motivate the athlete. She immediately won the 3 gold medals in this event. Currently, Nadia is preparing to take part in the Java Regional Paralympic Weekend in November 2022. For information, the Bogor Regency government gave appreciations in the form of the bonus to the Regency athlete who has inspired a grieving achievement and making Bogor Regency proud at the 10th National Sporting Point at the 16th Rivers in Papua Province 2022. The award of the bonus of the outstanding athletes to took on Big Lane Sentul Hotel, Babakan Badang Bogor Regency Monday, and at 30 May 2022. And the last news is a search today of 5 April, Ridwan Kamil zone. The following is an updating regarding the search of Ridwan Kamil's eldest son April Khan Amultat or the Ariel on the 5th day. One of the fifth day, the search, the police in Switzerland will continue searching in the Angeles, the world at the sea. The search will be carried out using a method namely on a footboot, a drone, and by driving. There was also visited by the mayor of the bird a lake of girlfriend. The Indonesian embassy is Bern report that the lake symbolises with Ridwan Kamil and his wife, Atala Prayatna. In addition, lake was the relief by the party would provide maximum support regendering in the search for Ariel. The search was led by the Bird Maritime Police using boats and underwater search flying equipment. In addition, the search location is narrowed down to only points that consider the most potential. Then at the 7 p.m. local time, the search was still carried out. Regionally data details, the search carried out using both a search method using the big alert to monitoring an underwater situation. The search has area, not the location that considered the post. It was then the afternoon session and the focus of the search was between the Seawood medley for the guards and adjustment by a boat. Well, I think that's all for news today with me, Kustul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.